Vietnam has become one of the world's great manufacturing engines for apparel. Millions of garments are made here, shipped everywhere, and worn across the globe. But for years, one question lingered in the local market. Where was the Vietnamese brand built for Vietnamese consumers? Nhu Pham had worked in retail, but the opportunity he saw was bigger than fashion. Vietnam was already strong in textile production, e-commerce was rising fast, and yet something about the market did not make sense.
I realized Vietnam is very strong about textile, garment. So it's very ridiculous when you see something's made in Vietnam and it's go all over the world and back to Vietnam with a very higher price.
That was the opening, not a gap in clothing alone, but a gap in trust. In a market crowded with sellers, Coolmate believed the real white space was a proper consumer brand, reliable product, clear identity, and experience people will come back to.
Actually, I see the market is very empty. People said it's very crowded, but I see it's very empty. The real one doing very good customer service, very convenient brand, good brand identity, trusted. I think that is the very missing. There's no one on the market at that time.
Building a brand inside the supply chain turned out to be much harder than spotting the opportunity. But Coolmate's response was not to lower the bar. It was to reduce friction for the customer.
We also had a lot of complaint about customer for beginning. They talk about the product. We need to do exchange. We ask them to come. This product is failed. We want to get it back, and we give you back the money. So when he said okay, we offer the free return and refund or exchange or something, the customer, everyone is surprised. They said no one have done that before.
Coolmate's ambition is not just basics. It is performance lifestyle at a Vietnamese price point. Functional materials, everyday wear, a local answer to a category often dominated by global brands.
When we start to do more and more active or performance wear, I see the market there is no local brand in Vietnam.
For Coolmate, repeat behavior became the signal. Customers were not just trying the brand, they were returning to it. As digital acquisition became more expensive, the company adapted. Better products, stronger margins, more scale, and less dependence on pure discounting.
Right now we deliver about 10,000 orders per day. Yeah, in the highest day we deliver about 20,000 orders nationwide.
A younger Vietnamese consumer is becoming more willing to buy online, pay for quality, and support local brands that understand the market from the inside.
When we start to do some running items, we see that many community in Vietnam. There's many running marathon community. Most of the brands they not really care about community, or they work with the community as a partner. So we start working with them by just sponsor some product or some small event. But we realize it's very we get a lot of appreciation from the community.
Coolmate's next chapter is not abandoning e-commerce. It is building a seamless bridge between online convenience and physical experience.
And until now, so people said so Coolmate keep continue to expand more. So we do for physical store, because actually there's few things happen in Vietnam. The online will be slowed down. Our customer they want to see the product, they want to ask for the store. So I think now is good time for both sales and also for the brand identity.
Coolmate is part of a bigger story unfolding in Vietnam. A market once known mainly for making products for the world is now producing brands for itself. And if Coolmate is right, the opportunity is not just to sell clothes, it is to redefine what a modern Vietnamese consumer brand can become.